Hey everyone! Today we're going to change the oil on the Predator 3500 watt inverter generator. We'll walk through the tools you'll need, the steps to drain and refill, and we'll also show you how the Votex Magnetic Dipstick helps keep your engine healthier over time. Let's start with what you need. Socket or screwdriver for the oil service panel, oil drain pan, funnel, Allen wrench for the dipstick, 10W30 oil, shop towels or rags, and optional but recommended Votex crush washer. First, remove the side service panel using your screwdriver or socket. This gives you access to the oil fill and drain port. With your drain pan underneath, tilt the generator slightly back and loosen the factory dipstick. The oil will drain directly from the fill tube. Take your time here and let it drain completely. Once drained, wipe down the area and check for any debris or buildup. This is where the Votex Magnetic Dipstick makes a difference. It captures fine metal particles during operation, keeping them out of your engine oil. Now we'll replace the factory dipstick with the Votex Magnetic Dipstick. It's made of stainless steel and has a magnetic tip, and features a flat O-ring for a better seal. It also includes an Allen key head in case it gets over-tightened. A small detail, but really handy. Using your funnel, slowly add oil. The Predator 3500 takes about 20 fluid ounces, but always check the dipstick against the fill line to avoid overfilling. Wipe off any excess, then reinstall your Votex dipstick. Reinstall the side service panel, make sure your tools are clear, and then fire up the generator. Let it run for a few minutes, then shut it down and double check your oil level. And that's it! A quick and easy oil change on the Predator 3500 watt inverter generator. With the Votex Magnetic Dipstick installed, you're adding an extra layer of protection against engine wear. Links for the Votex parts are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Predator generator videos for more tips and upgrades.